How to make a complete backup and restore. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we'll guide you through on how we can make a complete backup and restore using Google Drive. So let's go on with the process on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to make a complete backup and restore, head over to the main settings of your device. After that, you're just going to look out for the option called accounts and backup here. Just head over to that section and you'll be finding option called Google Drive, under where you can find that option called backup data. You're just going to click on that option and then you'll be finding your account here. So here it allows you to give different type of options of backing up your data, like photos and videos and other data, device data. So you can see under there you can find different kind of data of your like contacts, call history, device settings, apps and app data, SMS and MMS messages. Confirm it. After that, wait for the backup to be completed. So you can see this backup status. Backup is on. If you go on this manage backup, you'll be finding your account here. So here you can see backup now. If you turn on this option, it will start backing up, but it may take a while according to the data you have on your device. If you have more data, it may take more time, and if you have less data, it may take less time for the data to be backed up. So that's how you basically back up your data. You can back up all of these sections you can back up all of this section that is being shown on the screen right now, like apps, photos and videos, SMS and MMS messages, call history, device settings, Google account data, and all of this. So you may just back up with Google Drive like this. So here you can see backup using mobile data or metered Wi-Fi data. If you want a faster backup, you would just turn on your Wi-Fi and back up your data. So that's how you basically back up your data and make a complete backup and restore on Google Drive. And you may use the same Google account in order to restore the data in another device. So that's how you basically do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.